a very good morning to you all. Today we are going for the correct dear, recap session. Today what day? Friday. So Friday means recap session. Before that, what and all practice we have to do in the morning? Weather chart, self-introduction, rules, phonics, action words, D words, pre-max skill, and next reading express book. I hope you all practicing all these things. No, so big thumbs up. So yesterday I asked you one question. What question? Some of them answered in the Google Classroom. Who is community helper? The people who help to the community is called community helper. This is the answer for that question. Okay dear. Now you understood who is community helper? Okay, super dear. Now shall we go for the classroom session? Yes. Today recap session. Identify what line I drawn in the board. Yes, two lines. Two lines means what? What subject? Correct dear. English and Hindi. Today we are going to see two subjects, English and Hindi. To speak English, what we seen? Can you recap and tell me? Yes, correct dear. Super dear. Articles. Articles means, can you tell me? Shall I write on the board? A and the, you have to put comma. The, comma, called articles. So, A and the called article. A and the called articles. Like this, you have to write it in your activity notebook. You have to draw the two lines and write it there. Okay dear? What is articles? A and the called articles. So A and the, where it will come? Can you tell me? We have read it in the garden also. A, where it will come? See, in my hand, what is it? It is a marker. How many marker I have? One marker. So, a marker. Super dear. How many head in my body? One head. So, a head. Okay dear. If this object is one, what you have to use? A. Articles. Okay. What articles will come? Yeah. So, a marker. If it is one bird, a bird. If it is one tree, the tree you have to write? No. A tree. Like that. Wherever the object is one, you have to use and no. A. So, we have to use A there. Okay dear? Super. Now, we come to and. So, where will you use and dear? Engala varum and. See, what is vowel letter? What are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel letters. So, the word which sound with the vowel sound, what articles we have to use? And. So, the word starts with vowel sound now. What article we have to use? And. So, if it is apple, so apple starts with what letter? A. So, what articles we have to use? And. If it is an egg, what articles? And. If it is an igloo, an igloo. Next, if it is a owl, yes, an owl. If it is umbrella, an umbrella. Like this, where the word starts with vowel sound, you have to use an. Next, what articles it is? Yes, the. What is this? The. So, where it will come the? See, if the word See dear, if it is a specific word, for example, garden, Chennai, like this. Tiger also is a specific animal. No. So, there we have to use the tiger, the garden, the Bombay, the rose. The rose, it is a flower, but it has a name, no, rose. So, the rose is beautiful. So, the word, if it is a specific word, what we have to use? Which article? The article. So, shall we go for one recap? A comes before the word if the word is single object. Okay, dear? And where will come? A, E, I, O, U. If the word starts with a vowel sound, what article? An article. The where it will come? If the word specific word, if it is a specific word, the article we will use. Okay, dear? Now we go for some example. Take your reading express book or newspaper or tales and tunes book, any book you take it. See, we are going to take the topic in the garden. I can see. Can you see any articles here? Yes, in the is a articles. So we have to circle the. So with your pencil you circle it. Okay, dear? You circle the. Okay, dear? Next, go to the next page. So, in the garden, I can see grass. Here, where is the article? Can you identify? What are the articles? A and the. Where? Yeah, here it is the. You circle the. Okay, dear, finish. Go to the next page. In the garden, I can see flowers. Here also, which articles? Where is the article? Yeah, correct, dear. The is the article here. Go to the next page. In the garden, I can see a tree. So, where is the article? Here. You circle the and a. See where a come. There is how many tree? Only one tree. So, a is used here. Okay, dear? Next, same. In the garden, I can see a bee. How many bees there? Only one bee. So they used a and the. The is the article. Okay, dear? So like this, you can take a newspaper, again tales and tunes or reading express book and circle the articles a and the. Okay, dear? Now shall we go for Hindi subject? Very simple, dear. Yesterday what we written in Hindi? Auto ha, karos and charos. Tell the related object and write it. Okay, dear? Write the topic auto ha. Start writing. Tell the related object. A se anas. A se आदमी. E से इमारत. E से ईख. U से उल्लू. U से ऊन. कृ से ऋषि. Next. A से एडी. I से ऐनक. O से ओंट. औ से औरत. आम से अंगूर. आ से shaha. Like this, you have to write the autoha. Give the space between the letter. Okay, dear? Now, ka to nya. Tell the related object and do. Okay, dear? Ka se kamal. Ka se kargosh. Next, ga se गाय. गा से गड्डी. nya. Next, चा से चम्मच. चा से छतरी. Next, जा से what, dear? से जहाज. Ja say janda. Nya. Like this, you finish the writing time. Take the photocopy. Send in the Google Classroom. Before ending the session, I want to ask the reader. See, tomorrow one celebration, no? So, tomorrow one celebration, right? See, one god with the elephant face. Who is he? If you know the answer, share it in the Google Classroom. Otherwise, we'll share it in the next classroom session. Until, take care. Bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.